So again, our first step is going to be to write the function as an equation. The function is 2x over 3 take away 4. So we're going to write that as y equals 2x over 3 take away 4. Then our second step is just going to be rearranging. We're going to make x the subject. Then we have to go through our process to make sure we do that correctly. We look at that equation. The minus 4 would be the easiest thing to move first. So it becomes a plus 4. So y plus 4 equals 2x over 3. Then we're going to move the dividing 3. The fraction makes it a little complicated. So starts as a divide, ends as a times. So y plus 4 gets multiplied by 3, which is 2x. Then we move the 2, starts as a times, ends as a divide. X equals 3 brackets y plus 4 all over 2, and you can't see any more of the. There we go. And then our last step is just a notation switch. So wherever there's a y, we're going to write that as an x, and wherever there's the x, we're going to write that as the inverse function. So again, step number 3, y becomes x, and wherever there's an x, that becomes f to the minus 1 of x. We're going to write that out, and that'll be the answer. Alright, good.